I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today it's going to be a hair review on this beautiful clip-ins right here. If you want to know what it is, how I install it, then keep on watching. But before we get started, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, guys.
Boy, now you make me float, float. Boy, you really keep me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope.
Hey guys, what is up? I hope all is well. So today is gonna be a hair review, and Curlsqueen was kind enough to send me their Light Yaki clip-in extensions, and I'm super excited. Guys, I am going out tonight, so this better be good. So check out the packaging. I love a good packaging. Packaging is everything to me, everything. This is just so cute. I love the gold, the brown, the pink. This is such a girly girl. Love the box. You guys know me. I like saving boxes. That's just me. I like storing my hair back into the packaging. It just helps me organize all my hair. I'm just going to open this up, and we're going to see what is in this box. Stop it. Stop it. Look at this, guys. How freaking cute is this? I love how pink it is. I feel like this is everything. So once you open the box, you get a little cosmetic pouch or a hair pouch. And guys, I appreciate this because I feel like you can never get enough of cosmetic pouches. Not only that, frequent traveler, I'm a flight attendant, so this will come in handy. This is so freaking cute. So this is what you get inside the little cosmetic pouch. You get a hairbrush, and I love this type of paddle brush. It's good to detangle the hair, especially if you do wash and goes. It definitely defines the curls. I love that they give you this brush. I love this. Oh, I'm using this for my next wash. This is a satin bonnet here. I absolutely love it. You can never get enough of satin bonnets. They give you some extra hair clips as well. I absolutely love this. This is so freaking cute. I like when hair companies give goodies. I really do. It's very thoughtful. And this time around, I really like what I receive. What I like about this too is that you could put this inside your carry-on bag. It has hoops that you could attach if you want. Very thoughtful, very well thought out. Then you have a satin bag or a silk bag with the hair in it. But as I lift it up, you get a thank you card. I love that they send you a thank you card. And then you have this. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. So you get a little brochure. It tells you a little history of the brand, contact information, and you have a return form if you decide to return. Now we're going to get into the meat and potatoes of this video, which is the hair. So let's open it up. All right. Automatically, I know I like it. This is their Light Yaki hair. Ooh, you can feel the texture in it. This is their Light Yaki hair. This is in 18 inches. I got it in a natural black. I always get my hairs in natural black. This is my natural hair color. So, and baby girl, it is thick from weft all the way down to the ends. I love hair like this. So it comes with 10 tracks or 10 wefts, like so, and every single one of them are thick. So now it's time for the install. So I washed, flat ironed my hair, did my whole hair care routine. Tip for you guys, if you guys are interested in doing clip-ins, if you guys are natural, do not overly flat iron the roots. Keep your roof a little bit puffy so that the clips can grab into the roots. if you're not doing a braid out. And then not only that, but my hair has a lot of like styling shine, and I noticed that when you are doing weaves or clip-ins, you always want to put styling shine into the hair. It helps with the blend of the hair. So just want to let you guys know. Now I'm just going to comb out everything, taking my little comb. My hair's been up all day. All right, so now we're gonna start with the first weft. So this is how it looks like, just your standard clip-ins with the weft. Then you have your clips attached. And guys, it's really sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It's not flimsy. It is really, really strong. So I like that. So let's put this on. This is the first one. Perfect. Already I could see that it matches to the T with my natural straightened hair. Another tip I like to give you guys about clip-ins is that you want to make sure that the parting is not too far apart from each other. When your parting is too far away from each other, you definitely will see the tracks. Okay, so it shouldn't be too close together, but not too far. It needs to be just perfect. You need enough hair for the clippings to stay on and not slide off, but not too much hair or too many spaces where it's not blended. Because my biggest pet peeve, guys, is seeing girls walk in these streets and I can see their tracks. That means that they didn't part it well and they left too many spacing. So just be mindful of that. And obviously, if you are a newbie with clip-ins, I've been putting clip-ins on my hair since I was 18. So I already know how to part my hair. It just comes natural to me. But you know, you keep playing with your hair and you'll start to figure out a technique that works for you. So perfect. It's looking good, looking good. Before I even put the tracks, when I was prepping my hair, I made sure that I put styling oil. Let me show you what I use when I finish doing this part. I don't know if I could put all 10 clips on my head. We will see. I got a pretty small head. Look how thick she is. All right, so I still have the price tag, but I use BioSilk, and I use a generous amount on my hair just to give it like a really nice sheen. And obviously, after I finish doing everything, I'm gonna run a little bit more into the hair, but you see where my hair is? It's actually blending with the hair. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do this one track and then I'm gonna show you how it looks in the back. This is so easy to do. Look at this, it's looking good. Let me show you how it looks in the back. So far, love it. Love it. Everything is so secure, like it's not going anywhere. You see how tight it is? Like there's no like looseness in it. And partly because of the weft is really strong. And not only that, but remember I told you I didn't really flat iron the roots of my hair, so that helps with the grip as well. So it's really not moving at all. Okay, perfect. Just gonna comb it out a little bit and then I'm gonna iron it. This definitely feels so secure. The grip is really good and secure. Like it's not going anywhere. And it's not snagging as well. Some clip-ins, like you could actually feel like your hair is getting snagged by the clips. And this is not doing that whatsoever. Okay, hair, and this is an 18. This looks pretty long for an 18. Okay, looks more like a 20. See how this will go. Perfect. I'm going to attempt to put more on the side because I have a lot of breakage here. So we're gonna do that. Just gonna put some on the side here. Perfect. Just gonna put some here. Perfect. I have like 2 more left, but I think that's as much as I could go with my head. This looks amazing. Literally, if somebody want to run their fingers or hands through my hair, no lumps or bumps, okay? Period, sis. Oh, I love this. I love a bone straight hair. I really do. It's like Pocahontas, you know? So I'm going back in with my Biosip again. And just a dime piece. I'm putting this on my hair just for the flyaways, even though I don't really have flyaways, but just to run everything through my hair. It's almost like the final finishing touch, you know what I mean? Keeping it bone straight, bone straight. This is what I love. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. See how it just blends with my natural hair? Just blends. You can't even tell where my actual hair meets. It's just like, the blend is just amazing. This is the length of my hair. This is 18 inches. This works just below my boob area, and I'm 5'2", so this is a long one. This doesn't even look like 18 inches to me personally. This looks like more of a 20, but I am not mad at it. This is how the hair is looking. Turn it to the back. And then we're gonna put it into a pony, which you definitely can. Look at this, guys. Look at this pony. See? Put it up in a... Okay, look at this. It's giving Pocahontas. This is like one of the best clip-ins I ever tried, because this literally matches my actual hair. Like, it looks like my hair. It's growing out of my scalp. So pretty. Love the fullness of it. And out of the 10, 2 is left, which is fine. I have a small head, like I mentioned, so perfect, perfect, perfect. So I do have a discount code. It's in the screen right here, so you can save some money at the checkout. This is the Light Yaki clip-ins, extensions, and the length 18 inches. So you guys can know every detail that you need, everything you need to know about this hair, where to get it, the website and everything. The links will be in the description box down below. Like a good old clip-in, this is definitely it. This definitely mimics African American hair. Like, literally, it looks like my hair. This is probably one of the best clip-ins that I ever tried, honestly, because like, it blends with my hair to the T. Like, I don't really need to feel self-conscious about my leave out. Like, I still have like a little bit of my edges out, but that's okay because it blends pretty well with my hair. Okay, guys, tell me your thoughts. Tell me if you ever tried Curlsqueen. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.